whiny.
Geniuses.
It was hilarious, bro.
Geniuses.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat berjumpa kembali di channel Musik Telang. Apa kabar semuanya? Semoga semua dalam keadaan baik dan sehat selalu. Oke guys, di video kali ini kita akan melihat 3 reaktor asal luar negeri yang mereaksi Mas Alip Ba Ta. Oke, seperti apakah keseruan dari reaksi mereka? Langsung saja kita gas.
But he's like, oh, Indonesia, I know an artist from Indonesia. So he requested Alip Ba Ta, who I had never heard of before, but is a guitar player and does really cool stuff, like tapping stuff on his guitar.
Alright, welcome back to Born Reviews. Nick here.
Gabe, the Night Watchman.
And Gabe and I are excited to check out some
Yeah,
more
juga
Linkin
baru
Park. I'm a
mengetahuinya,
huge
ya,
Linkin
guys,
Park fan, so I've heard all these songs way too many times. Gabe, first time checking it out.
Oh, so good. The things he's doing is crazy. He keeps jumping up here to bend the strings. That was cool. I caught it right there. You know, he's doing... I've seen stuff similar to this before where, you know, people use the whole body, the whole guitar with all their fingers.
Ya, finger style gitu ya.
He made a beat over her whiny.
Geniuses.
It was hilarious, bro.
Geniuses.
That's beautiful. I love the tone of that guitar. To do really cool stuff. I love what he's doing with it, but I love that he bent the note by going above the nut and you squeeze it, and it basically changes the tuning of the string for just an instant. That was really cool.
Ya, sangat keren sekali ya guys ya.
Original is better, man. Like, wow. Like, the rapping kind of takes out of it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it takes away from it.
It takes away from it. And I'm just like, it flowed more in the other one before.
The way he's using harmonics and he deadened the strings as well, and still, you know, strummed them while they were dead, which gave it a very percussive feel to it. Wow, this dude is good. It's hard to. I'm trying to think of the words. He's being super subtle about it, and it's just he.
Sangat sulit sekali ya guys ya.
The other one you played,
The rap. Oh, yeah.
in
the end,
yeah. But this is, dude, this is crazy. This is dope. This is dope. I'm gonna have to like put it on the car and put that on
so casual with it too. He's so good. Other people I've seen do similar stuff like this are like up on the guitar, like with their face like right there. He could be just sitting around a fireplace strumming the guitar while other people are talking around him. he's so casual right now. It's so good.
Ya, Mas Alipbata terlihat memang sangat santai sekali guys ya.
He's so talented, and I've been listening to this song for what, 20 years now, and I still can't get enough of it. It still makes me feel different things. The message of this song too is so powerful because, you know, we're both parents of teenage kids. You have some adult kids as well, and so it's, you've gone through it as a parent, you've gone through it as a kid yourself. Like, you can't.
Sorry, I'm just staring at his hands, which obviously it's so good. It looked like he strummed one of the strings with his ring finger while holding a chord on the other strings. Okay, that was.
Like, get off my back. Like, you want so much of me. I think you're disappointing me, like he's saying in there.
Sangat tepat sekali guys ya.
I'm sure you had someone who was just as disappointed in you. Like, such a powerful line. But as a parent, you'd say, but to my kids, I'd say, but I'm not disappointed in you.
Gorgeous arpeggios there.
Like, I get it, because Jake...
Okay, that was really, really cool. Okay, that was really cool. Okay, thank you. That was crazy. I love watching stuff like that. I could sit there and stare at that all day, as you know, trying to watch both his hands at the same time. That was really, really cool.
Oke guys, demikianlah tadi video reaksi dari para reaktor luar negeri yang mereaksi Mas Alip Ba Ta. Dan sampai bertemu kembali di video-video selanjutnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.